фильм, может быть, даст ответы на некоторые вопросы, которые предполагается задать.
Perhaps this film will provide the answers to some questions which might be brewing in the audience already.
The movie, please.
Happy life in wealth and peace. The earth requires care and consideration for itself. It is not so far everywhere on our planet that the life conditions for the man correspond to his great role. To turn an important role in this respect should be played by space exploration as well, which provides for enormous possibilities of tackling the man's problems on the Earth. From the outset, the Soviet cosmonautics adopted a policy of seeking solutions to the Earth's most urgent problems. Our long-duration orbital stations have become a primary tool in solving them. Of special significance today is a close interaction of national space programs of different countries that have gained a great experience in different areas of space flights. An example of fruitful cooperation of the Soviet and American cosmonautics was demonstrated by the Apollo Cygnus program. During the manned flights, including international ones, performed already for many years on board the Soviet space complexes Soyuz, a significant amount of different scientific and technological investigations was accomplished to the benefit of different countries. The Soviet stations have been perfected to increase their operational efficiency and flight duration. But time has come to make a demand for new technical solutions. The permanent orbital station Mir was developed. The main section of the station is the basic module equipped with 6 docking systems. The side docking systems make it possible to build a multi-purpose orbital complex by attaching special research modules. With equipment designed to carry out investigations in astrophysics, Earth resources, production of new materials, and many other areas of scientific importance. The total mass of the orbital complex will be more than 100 tons. Each research module will be transferred to the side docking modules by a special automatic manipulator. Areas of the orbital complex will amount to several hundreds of cubic meters. The station onboard systems and scientific equipment are operated automatically to give a space crew the maximum freedom from their regular operations. New technical solutions have been introduced into many systems of the Mir station to increase its scientific payoff in conducting investigations in major areas of the national cosmonautics. Significantly increased is the power of the station onboard power supply system. Two panels of the solar batteries have a power of up to 10 kilowatts. The area of each panel is more than 40 square meters. The new station is developed on a solid basis of 25 years' experience in manned flights. The new configuration of the working compartment of the basic module has significantly increased the volume of the station and made it possible to provide for a better comfort in a long-duration space flight. Somewhat small individual cabins are equipped with everything necessary to make conditions for work and rest similar to those on the Earth. The everyday amenities have a significant effect on the psychological comfort of a crew during a long-duration space flight. The station is equipped with a repair shop and special tools for work in weightlessness. The shop is absolutely necessary aboard a long-duration station. The new Orbital station was launched on the 20th of February 1986. The flight of the Mir station opens a new page in space research and utilization. The station is designed to be modified and equipped with new modules that may be modified and perfected as well. The Mir station is being visited by its first crew. The cosmonauts Leonid Kizin and Vladimir Solovyov have started on-board operations according to their new scientific research program. The launch relay satellites are used to increase a communication zone in order to provide for an information exchange between the Mir station and flight control center. The Mir station was launched into an orbit lying in one plane with that of the Salyut 7 station to provide for maintenance of the both stations to be accomplished by one crew and a spacecraft flight between the stations. The Soyuz-T spacecraft has become for the first time an international ferry, transferring cosmonauts and equipment from one station to another. The cosmonauts have arrived at the Salyut 7 station, on which they had recently spent 8 months. Leonid Kizin and Vladimir Solovyov have shown themselves to be experts in extravehicular activities. Now they are about to deploy a large convertible structure on the station's external surface. Such structures will be used as elements of large-sized designs, such as space radio telescopes, solar electric power stations, orbital bases. Today, it is important to develop the design criteria for such structures to lay the foundations for large projects of the manufacturing and research centers permanently operating on the Earth orbits. When deployed aboard the station, the truss structure has a length of more than 10 meters. Completion of experiments aboard the Salyut 7 station, the crew has performed the second flight to the near station to continue operations in accordance with its program. Tomorrow, the long-duration orbital station Mir will receive new crews and research modules. Lying ahead is the work that will allow the new station to justify its novel name and make a contribution to a peaceful use of space. The man chooses an orbit of peace for his planet.
Теперь, если будут вопросы, мы постараемся на них ответить. Пожалуйста.
Достаточно ли будет тех солнечных батарей, которые представлены были в этих кадрах, или потребуются дополнительные источники энергии, то есть основанные на ядерных реакциях?
Юрий Павлович, пожалуйста.
Как видели из фильма, мы предполагаем, что модули, отдельные модули, которые будут стыковаться в ходе полета станции МИР, будут иметь тоже автономные солнечные батареи, которые войдут в единую систему энергопитания станции.
As you could see from the film, the modules which will be docked to the main body of the station will have their own solar batteries and panels, and there is no intention of placing any nuclear power sources.
Еще вопросы? Пожалуйста.
I have two questions for Mr. Dunayev. You have said that one of the aims of Intercosmos was to conduct international cooperation. Can you tell us what will Intercosmos become? The second question...
Just a minute. Can you say it louder, the question itself?
Excuse me?
Can you repeat the question itself?
Yes. You have said that one of the aims of Cosmos was to conduct international cooperation. Can you tell us what will Intercosmos become?
Значит, несколько вопросов господину Дунаеву. Вы сказали, что одна из задач, так сказать, глав космоса — это обеспечение международных проектов. В данном случае